Okay, so she don't want time at Yamaha get my oil changed, but I was gonna let her say hello to you guys. And we're gonna go ahead and walk over here and see what they got in stock. So, most of the scooters, my bike's out there. I'm about to oil change it. They do the oil change. You got to buy the oil, of course. I don't think it's like that. They added it to your price whenever you do it at other places. But I remember back in the States. I did it. Now this is a pretty nice little bike. It is 254,000 pesos. That's like 5,000 pesos for that bike. But I'll tell you what, that sucker will probably get down the road quick. And you got to have this size of bike to get onto the interstate. You can't just have any size. They want 400 cc's or better. And that's what that is. That's a 400 Nighthawk. Now these guys right here, these are just scooters, but they're really nice scooters. That's an NMAX right there, Gravis. This is a Gear. And now we're getting down to more cheaper ones. The Mio is 75,000, so that's like there's a Mio Sport there. That's 67,000. You know, it's like 1,500 to 1,400, something like that. That dollar bills, you know, 50,000 if you average this out is about what you pay for my YTX 125 over there. It's about average for that one. Matter of fact, I'll show you one in a minute. It's got a different color to it. We're talking 1,500 for the Mio Sporty. They get more money on the ones that aren't motorcycles, believe it or not. And snipers, they're pretty heavy, the snipers. But it's still a scooter, if you ask me. And scooters have a lot of storage in the seat. But look, yeah, they want 114,009 for a sniper. That's a 155cc only. So, you know, you're looking at, got to have 400 cc's to get onto the highway, so why would you? Now this is my bike. This is one I'll ride around here. And I can ride all the back roads and stuff like that, but this is the one I ride. Mine's black. I'll show it to you in a minute. $49.9. So right at $1,000, you can put yourself in one of those. And then when you go back to this type of bike, here, I forget what you call this thing. SZ16. It's a Yamaha, but it's a bigger cylinder on there. Bigger head, it's a bigger engine on there, I'm sorry. I think it's a 155cc. I may be wrong, but I think it is. I think this is like a Yamaha. What size engine does that one have?
What, sir?
What size engine does this one have?
SZ.
150. Yeah, 150. So there's a 150cc. And this one is a 125cc. It says so right there. See, this is old classic style. And they use these for trikes, so if you look, they got double shocks. I had to take one of the shocks off mine because it's too stiff. But they got double shocks on it. And I put me that one right there looks pretty cool though, you gotta say that. It's 150. It's probably a little quicker. You know it is. I don't know if it's a little quicker with somebody like me on it. The price difference is, let's see, 600 bucks. So, yeah. Peso right now is running about right at 54 pesos to the dollar, and that's really good. So I get a good value for my money here, but at the same time, you know, just don't know. Oh yeah. Right. Okay, let me get him, buddy. You gotta give my keys to him so he can change my oil. Got it locked up, don't I? You don't want to be on my YouTube channel? This is my mechanic gonna do my oil change. How are you doing? Okay, so everybody's on the YouTube channel now, except for this guy. Hello, how are you? Now he is. Got everybody on there. And now he's gonna take my bike and roll it up on the lift and change my oil. They got a nice little shop here. All the tools he needs, water and everything. Do I? Yeah, yeah, nice station. Nice station. Yeah. So he's gonna change the oil for me. Look at, he's gonna lift it right up in there. Really nice one. Yeah, now you can get to it, see? And it's been sitting long enough, I guess the engine may have been cooled down by now. We didn't sit too long though. Yeah. You got right there on it, huh? Yeah. Yeah, I like this bike. Yeah. Drain oil, put some new in it. It don't even hold a quart hardly. But so this is a 125cc. It's big enough for me. I mean, I touch the ground when I straddle it, but just barely. It's as tall as a Harley. But I don't need a Harley here because they want $1 million pesos for a used one at $20,000. I don't have to throw away right now. And I mean, I got it, but I ain't got to throw away. So here we go. Super gas saver, see? 125, like the X. I was gonna buy a Honda, and they got a 125 Honda. I just like this one a lot better. I drove them both. Yeah, I drove a Suzuki too, one of those Raiders. Of course, they wanted another $500 for it. This is all I need around here. I got a car at home, and it'll work out, no doubt. And what's good about the place is when I bought my bike here, right across there is a gas station. I'll show you the gas prices though. They're kind of up in the air right now. Okay, so they're $1 and okay, let's say $1.60 per liter, and you're looking at about 5 liters a gallon. So 5 times $1, so you're looking at $8 a gallon here, man. $8 a gallon. Anyway, he's draining my oil here in just any second now, and we get that on film. Get it all on film. We're gonna put it on YouTube. But you guys, since there's nobody around to talk to, I was thinking, look, he's got every tool you need up there. One or two I was missing. Maybe he's using them to change them off. But I was thinking to talk to you guys about this. I need about 250 subscribers to get monetized. Help me out here in the Philippines. Help you guys out to see more videos that I'm going to make. And so if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. If you are returning to my channel, thanks for coming back. And give me a big thumbs up or thumbs down, and a bad comment or a good comment down below. And I'll be happy. Because YouTube counts them as the same thing. Their algorithm doesn't go into whether people don't like me or not. And sometimes they don't. So, guys, hang out and we'll do the oil change.